Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. Today is going to be a plan with me. So, I'm excited because I've been talking about this skinny mini and I haven't been using this skinny mini. So I need to use this skinny mini. So today it's going to be a skinny mini happy planner spread, and it's going to be an inspo spread. So I'm not going to do all the scrap paper and all that. I'm going to leave all the dates there, all the lines, so you can have an idea of how you can decorate your structured planner, especially if it's smaller. It's a little harder if it's smaller. I'm so excited because it's so cute. I got to show it one more time. I got to show it. Oh my gosh, look how good it looks. Yay, it's so cute. Before I get started, I have to say this. How's my quality, Zoidies? Let me know, because I recently just got a new camera. I felt like it was going to look really good on my channel, up the quality, you know, Plannerzoid trying to have good quality. So how does the quality look in this video? Now you might see a slight difference because I will be doing a 2-camera setup, something I've wanted to do for a while. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to be doing a 2-camera setup where I want to talk to y'all like y'all are my Zoidies, y'all are my friends. So I want to be able to talk to y'all and do something different, not just talk through a spread. You know what I'm saying? So the other one is going to be filmed on my iPhone, like doing the planner spread. So if you just want to have an idea, if you're trying to do your own setup, I have the DJI Osmo 3 Pocket 3, one of those. It's the smaller camera. And then I'm also filming when I do my planner spreads on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So if you just want an idea for yourself, so let's go ahead and get started with this spread. Do I look cute, y'all? I hope so. It's early in the morning and I didn't get a chance to wash my face. Usually I just roll out of bed and start filming videos. Like, I generate ideas all the time, but I'm talking too much. Let's do the spread. Let's do the spread. So y'all, first off, let's talk about this planner. I said I wanted to use a skinny mini happy planner for the longest, and to be honest, I don't know. I barely used it. I've done 1 or 2 spreads, and every time I try to film the spreads, something will happen. So maybe 3rd time's the charm, okay? So I've already started doing spreads in here. Like, here's one really cute, and I will actually be doing a similar one. I thought I was going to use my skinny mini happy planner, but honestly, I think it's going to become decorative, like inspo. A lot of the planners I have, like old planners, they're just decorative inspo. You know, I like giving y'all inspo. So let's talk about what we're going to be using in this spread. So I will be using some printable stickers that I have printed from I Have Plans for You. She has a shop in a Patreon, and you can use my code Keke10 to get 10% off of either in her shop or joining her Patreon. But personally, if you join her Patreon, you get printables monthly of different things. And you also get to kind of like exclusively know stuff ahead of time. Like, come on. So definitely check her out. I will link all her stuff down below. But she did gnomes for March. And first off, gnomes are adorable. Also, springtime is coming, which means pretty spring colors. So this spread is going to show a lot of like springy colors, a lot of purples, pastels, light greens. I want it to be a springy spread. It's like a intro into a spring. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm trying to figure out where to start in this spread. And then I'm going to talk to y'all because I got some stuff I want to talk to y'all about. I don't know where I want to start though. I did want to do something kind of nature-y because gnomes tend to be like nature. But I also was using this sticker book. Well, I haven't used it, but I thought about trying it. I want to see how it looks close up in this camera too. So let me know. I hope the quality looks good. This sticker book is from Walmart, and I have yet to use it because I'll be honest, I'm low-key kind of mad that whoever picked up this book, okay? You know how you do the curbside pickup? Whoever picked up this book gave me a ripped book. I wanted to complain, but you know what? I was too tired, so I just went home and dealt with it. So I ain't gonna lie. I've been reluctant to use this book solely because That's all I would say. Okay, let's get started. Oh, you know what? I also want to share the cover that I have is Notique. I will be doing a planner cover collection video soon. Thinking about showing a collection of my planner covers that I've acquired over the years. It's not many, but it's something. I'm thinking about using this sticker book, Bees Foiled, because you know, that's outdoorsy, but I don't know now because I'm like bees. And then the other one I want to use is A Year of Planning. So it's a sticker book from Walmart. It was on like a couple of dollars too. But basically, it's almost like a seasonal sticker book. That's pretty much what it is. And I will be using the springtime. Oh, this is cute for Easter. Actually, I haven't really looked through this book much, to be honest. It's kind of cute. Okay, it's kind of cute. Well, anyways, I'm thinking about using some of this page. Not really trying to use too much of like the seasonal stickers, like first day of spring and stuff, St. Patrick's Day. I'm more so thinking about just doing a color. Like I want all the colors to match, and I think it matches okay. I hope, sorta. This other page I thought about using too. Hold on, I gotta find it. I thought this was cute too. This matches good. I might use both. Let's have a chat, Zoidies. I want to chat to you guys about Plannerzoid, the brand, all that good stuff, like the shift I'm making. And I wanted y'all opinions. I will also be putting polls out, but I want y'all opinions. So I have recently started a gaming channel, if you don't know. And I will be streaming this Sunday, so I'm excited to do that. And y'all, I don't know. I feel like I have so many ideas and things that I want to do. And I need y'all opinion. So I decided to separate my gaming, right? You know, I decided to separate that because I feel like a lot of people don't watch it. Like they like it, but they don't really watch it. And I did do a poll and everybody was like, we like the games, but you know, and we love your planner stationery content. Fair. That's my audience. So that's fair. So I did separate the gaming content for Plannerzoid Pretty Plays, and I go live this Sunday, so I'll link that too. But I'm actually wondering, since getting the camera, I've been playing around with it because I've always wanted to vlog. I'm not gonna lie. And I've vlogged before, but I don't know. It definitely feels a lot easier with this camera. Like the way it's set up is set up for vlogging. So I'm kind of curious. I know for a fact that I'm going to be doing craft vlogs on this channel. So on this channel, it's just stationery and crafts. So I don't know, let me know down below. Would y'all even subscribe to that? Can I even run 3 channels, let alone 2 channels? But either way, I just feel like it'll be great to separate, but let me know y'all opinion. I'll also be putting out a poll too. So let me know what y'all think of these beautiful stickers. They're so cute. I'm actually, cause I tried to make them small this time. I think last time when I did stickers and printed them, cut them, and I did it for my micro, it was too big. So I tried to make it smaller now. So I'm hoping that I did. Like I wanted to use, let me see if it works first. Because when I tell y'all my cutting machine was going in, I had to stop it. I thought it was about to break. So I need to check on my stuff here. Like what is going on with my technology? Oh, Monday. Almost put it in the wrong spot, y'all. Almost put it in the wrong spot. Oh no, hold on, the word's still showing. Can I use my fingers? Kind of small. Let me see. Kind of small, okay. Come back. Trying to keep it straight, kind of hard to see. For this sticker, I made it pretty small. But I love printable stickers. One thing I love about printable stickers is that you can print them in any size you want. Like, I love printing stickers in small sizes, big sizes. It don't matter because I just love stationery, so I'm going to use any size. You know what I'm saying? I'm using up all of these box stickers because, wow, these are really adorable. I like how they're not the typical box stickers. Like, they're the typical box stickers, but like the shape. They look drawn, which is so cute. And she does hand draw all of her stuff. Actually, let's do vertical. A sticker could definitely go vertical. I'm hoping that I could actually add all the days of the week. That was the plan, to cover these up the days of the week. So let me give a couple of tips when you're using a structured planner and you're trying to decorate the spread, but you don't want to cover the structure. I recommend scrapbook paper is always going to be my number one. That's the easiest, quick way to dress up your spread. Stickers to me will also be number two, and then number three will be like using pens, markers, all that good stuff. It just depends on how much you're willing to decorate. Do not be afraid to cover things up. I'm covering up the days of the week with different kind of days of the week if you want to keep it easy, because you want to dress it up, right? So you could dress it up with a different kind of sticker, but it could still be the same kind of sticker. What I love about doing this is that you really don't have to over decorate. Like, you literally don't have to do a lot. I highly recommend, if you're new to decorating, to get a sticker kit similar to this, just like this, or get a sticker book that's going to have all of the things you need. And you know what? I did put out a video talking about like 8 beginner tips for planners. So check that out. I will link it at the end. Check it out. It's definitely something to learn. But I also want to reiterate that it's also not that serious. Like, we're decorating, we're having fun. So don't think so hard about it. If my voice sounds terrible, it is what it is, y'all. Like, I really got to stop waking up in the morning and just like filming. But I have ideas and I don't want to lose my ideas. I got to be careful because I still want to add other stickers from this sticker book here. But I'm not going to lie, this is a really nice kit, very simple. And I tried to do some of the stickers multiple sizes because I just wasn't sure which planner I was going to do the spread in. It was going to be my micro happy planner, but honestly, I can do it in the skinny and the micro. Like, I could do it in whatever planner I want, to be honest. Because decorating is just so fun. Thinking about a couple more boxes, and I kind of want to layer them. Let's see if we could layer. Maybe. I'm okay with that because something probably is going to go there. Like a to-do or gratitude. I'm using up these stickers. Because what I tell you, it be taking up ink to print these stickers. And I'd be thinking my printer, honestly, doesn't give the most vibrant. So, but you know what? She told me to just check my printer settings and paper settings. So I'm going to do that. I definitely need to do that. We're looking good. This is cute. Mind you, you don't have to use box stickers if you don't want to. If you're like, what's the point? We could just use the white space. Then do that. It's okay. So typically when I do have the white space, I like to do it in a way of like bullet points. So I am going to take a couple of markers. These are the Fudonosuke's. I hope I said that right. Fudonosuke. And these are by Tumbo. Can y'all see that? I'm going to show stuff in this camera too. We're going to see it in both angles. I like this marker because it's easy. It's just a simple marker. Like sometimes the big Tumbos, it's the brush pen and it be bending and everything, but this one is more rigid. So I think this is great for bullet points, but be careful because it does have a slight bend. I've seen people use this for calligraphy writing too. I'm learning, y'all. I guess you can use big markers and small markers. But sometimes I like to just add bullet points. That's the easy way to dress up your spread. You can also use stencils if you feel like, you know, you want perfection. Because my bullet points are crooked, clearly. But I don't care because I will be writing on it anyway. I might put an affirmation there. Let's get some of my stickers. I use sticker sheets from Online Labels. So that's what I use to print these. I do have a video showing how to print printable stickers from online on a silhouette, but you can also do it on Cricut too. But might as well just share. These are great for storage containers where I keep all my old stickers. I really like these. These are really nice. Okay, so appointment for sure. I have appointments. Oh, here we go. I got some affirmation stickers that I created. And I foiled them on the Mink machine. Do y'all know that We Are Makers came out with the thermal mink cinch, whatever the hell it's called? I don't even know what the hell it's called. It's some kind of thermal mink cinch machine. So it's a mixture of the thermal cinch, which I do have, you know, a first impression on my channel. Might do a more updated one. And then it's a mixture of the Mink machine, which can do foil. So now you can make books and foil, which I guess is great. But why did y'all come out with that after I had to buy 2 whole machines? Now you want to make it one? So let's use some affirmation. I actually like the foil. I always go to the foil, but I use all my stickers. I like my stickers. I think I'm going to put affirmation here. Just something short, quick, easy. And then I do have a couple of appointments this week, so I guess I am doing a little bit of planning. I think I'm going to try writing on this spread, seeing how I like it. And then if I don't, you know, there's my micro. I love my micro. And I need to do a flip through video soon. Ooh. I feel like if I put it here, it's going to go for Wednesday. It needs to be up a little higher. Nice. Yeah, I do have a couple of appointments. Physical therapy, all that good stuff. I got stuff with my knee going on, my cervical, lumbar. It's just a lot of stuff going on, y'all. But I don't really share that kind of stuff. But I thought about if I started the lifestyle channel to share that kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I've been like really good with time management of my content. So I do think it'll do good. That's cute. I'm going to add one more thing. And I think I'm done with this spread because honestly, I'm not sure if I want to over decorate, because if I'm trying to give some inspiration for a certain kind of group, then I kind of want to cater to that. And typically this is how a lot of people would decorate their spreads, like this, which is perfectly fine. Now adding the Plannerzoid oomph to it would be adding scrapbooking paper, washi tape, even though I keep forgetting I have washi tape, I just remembered today. More stickers, like I like to fill the page with my stickers. And actually I've been adding a lot of quotes in my planner lately. I know people don't really like the quotes in the planner, which is so funny. I always think about the We Listen and We Don't Judge video I did on my channel. It's so funny. I had a great time with that. Because I'm trying to go for an outdoorsy kinda. Oh, this is purple. That'll kinda match. That's so cute. Okay. We got a couple of to-do stickers too. Hold on, adding. I like my list. My list is cute. Ooh, okay. Maybe like that. I want to add something here. We'll do this. I like how all the colors are coming together. It looks really good. And then I want to add, okay, yeah, because I was kind of looking at this color. What a cute color. I think I'll put it, ooh, I don't know. I'll put it here. If you don't want this to show, like you can see the sticker under, you can always put the darker sticker on top, but some people do use like a whiteout. Me personally, I don't be caring, so it's okay to show. It's gonna be written over anyway. What y'all think of this spread, y'all? It's so cute. What do y'all think of this spread? It is adorable. I gotta show it over here. How cute is this? This is such a cute planner size. The skinny size is just adorable, but I have to get used to vertical because the micro is half the size, but it's also a little bit wider. So it's just like, I have to get used to it. Like, I don't even know, but this is so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspo for your skinny mini happy planners, or any kind of skinny planner, to be honest. This came out so cute and adorable, and I can't wait to do more of these videos. Thanks for watching, y'all, and keep planning, keep decorating, keep your shit pretty. And you know, over here at Plannerzoid, we like to talk, be cute, and be crafty and creative.